Si Jeff Ward.
Ito na naman.
Oh, may holding foul na tinawag sa baseline. Referee tangonan. Chris King will pick up his third personal foul. Pangatlong team foul din yan. Ang Gordon's Gin. At ngayon si Vince Season babalik sa ating laro. Papalitan niya si Benny Cheng.
Partner, mark of a steady player ito si Chris King. At this situation, only 3 personal fouls.
Oh.
At ang kanyang defensive assignment ito si Jeff Ward. And you can sense, or you can see that San Miguel Beer, sa lahat ng pagkakataon nila for offense, kay Ward ang pinapasukan nila ng bola.
Talking about San Miguel Beer, mukhang tatawag sila ng 20-second timeout para sa San Miguel Beer, brought to you by ating Court Bulldog Super Glue. And we will try to listen in kay Ron Jacobs now.
Alright, now listen. Heason and Gayoso holding the game. You got Gayoso, you gotta get out on him, alright? Ball. You got Heason, get out there on him, alright?
A little adjustment sa kanilang depensa when nung pagpasok ni Vince Season.
Partner, natatakot yata si Ron Jacobs that Gordon's Gin might start exploding from 3-point range. At alam natin ito si Vince Season is an explosive scorer.
Well, tatlo-tatlo yung tirador niya mula sa 3-point range para kay Sunny. Si George, si Hizon, si Harencio at si Gayoso.
So, binigyan ni Ron Jacobs si Bong Alvarez ng isang friendly reminder.
Yes.
Tao mo si Hizon, sabi niya.
Hindi mo tinauhan yan, tatauhan kita.
Eto
si Jeff Ward.
Pihit ni Jeff Ward, pumasok, may awa.
Yes, naawa yung bola, tumalbog papasok. Under 9 minutes to play here, San Miguel Beer on top by 3. Harencio takes a 3-point shot off the back iron. Rebound ni Bong Alvarez. Medyo walang rebounder ng Gordon's Don Ginito.
Partner dito si Bong Alvarez has been getting a lot of loose balls. He's been creating defensive situations. Iisang punto lang yata ito si Bong Alvarez in this game.
Yes.
Yet he has made things happen here defensively for San Miguel Beer.
Dalawang rebounds. Nakagawa ng pasa ni Bong Alvarez. Harencio tumitingin doon pero hindi na papalag itong si Arc de la Cruz.
Partner, na-anticipate nila yung pasa ni Bong Alvarez.
Yes.
Again, because he tends to keep the ball to himself too long. And once he's double team, nagpapanik siya. Kanya na-anticipate ng depensa kung saan pupunta yung bola. Okay, here we go with Jeff Ward once more.
And stepping on the line. Yes. Si Jeff Ward. So ang Gordon's Gin may pagkakataong maagaw muli ang abante. They're down by 1 here. 8:04 remaining in the final quarter.
Partner na San Miguel Beer not able to take advantage of the fact that Marlo Aquino sitting on the bench with 5 personal fouls.
Well, si Nelson Asaitono, 4 din ang foul. Nakaupo rin sa kanilang bangko. Chris King, he can also take that shot mula sa 3-point range. Pihit niya. May foul na itatawag laban kay Freddy Abuda. Pang-apat na yan ni Abuda. At pang-apat din na team foul ng San Miguel Beer, or 13 foul ng San Miguel Beer.
Paunti-unti, Chris King, inuubos niya ang mga defenders ng San Miguel Beer.
1-point game. Pasa sa loob. Chris King. Oy, may foul. Almost a 3-point play, pero may foul na itatawag laban kay Art de la Cruz.
So tough to stop si Chris King.
Chris King goes back to the free throw line. De la Cruz getting his first personal foul. 14 foul ng San Miguel Beer.
Second round draft choice ng Seattle Supersonics in 1992. Ito po si Chris King, a native of North Carolina. At ang balita, there have been 3 outstanding high school players to have come out of North Carolina. One of them, Michael Jordan. One of the 3, ito po si Chris King.
Elite company. Well, tandaan natin, itong si Chris King pumasok sa Gordon's Gin. Pinunta niya si Tyrone Hopkins. And he has played here in the semis. And now an opportunity to play in the finals. Tabla po ang ating score, 63-all. Ito ay ating pang-5 lamang na deadlock in the ball game. But it's been a close one here at the Astrodome.
Ito na naman si Jeff Ward. Pinepwersa na niya yung tira niya. And he will go to the line.
Davey Gayoso ang tinawagan ng foul. And Gayoso picking up his 4th personal foul. Pang-apat din na team foul yan ang Gordon's Gin.
Well, humihingi na din ng tulong si Chris King not to stop Jeff Ward.
Alam mo,
Because,
ang tanong dito, Kinito, kailan mo isusugal si Marlo Aquino ika nga sa pagpasok dito? It's a very close game, but Aquino has to get warmed up ika nga going into the crucial
well,
moment.
matagal pa to, no? 7:26 to go as you see Marlo Aquino sitting on the bench. I would expect Sonny Jaworski to bring him back with about maybe 4 or 5 minutes to go. And that should be enough time for Marlo Aquino to get back into the flow of the game.
4 na puntos pa lamang si Marlo Aquino, pero mas mahalaga 2 mintis para kay Jeff Ward from the free throw line. 63 all. 7 and 18 remaining.
Diyan natin nakikita the pressure on both imports. Chris King, a step back jumper. Yes!
23 points para kay Chris King.
Yan ang kaibahan ni Chris King compared to Jeff Ward. He will be able to take the pressure shot. At ito naman si Jeff Ward is not used to this kind of a situation, playing before a crowd of over 10,000 people.
Hinahanap pa rin nila si Jeff Ward. They have 8 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Art de la Cruz, inside pass. Ward gets position, gets blocked by Chris King. Cayoso, binigay kay Vince Season. Andun si Arenzo, pero nandun din si Racela.
Ito si Vince Season looking for a 3-point shot.
Sabi
And
ni Chris
again, they
King,
go to Chris King. Ito na.
3-point shot. Wala. Tumalbog ang bola patungo kay Cayoso. Libre si Arenzo.
Wide open!
Yes!
Ito na yung sinasabi na